So this is how we change the light settings on the KS16X. Then go into your settings and then go into light setting. So you see 4 droplet icons here. So it's pretty simple. Basically you tap on each of the icons and then you drag your finger to the color that you want. So for example, for the first color, I want it to be, say, green. So I tap and I hold and I let go, so it turns green. Second, I want it to be, say, blue. Becomes blue. Third, I want it to be yellow. Becomes yellow. And then for the last droplet, I want it to be purple. So there you have it. And then down here you have the different modes of the how the lights rotate. You have colorful, rotating, colorful flowing, and colorful breathing. So I will show it to you how it looks like when we ride. Before we get into seeing how the lights work, just want to quickly show you something that I made. It's a voltmeter and an adapter for me to use with my e-scooter fast chargers. So the fast chargers that I uses the KS16 3-pin plug. So as you can see, one end it's the 3-pin plug and the other end is the Lenovo connector that goes into the port of the 16X. So when I plug this in and when the current is applied, you can actually see the voltage of the current battery. So it allows you to monitor the battery as you charge. Now I have with me a 5A fast charger. It's a KS16 3-pin plug from my e-scooter days, so as you can see here. So for this, I know the polarity, it's 1 positive and 2 negative, so you just have to solder it the proper way to the Lenovo connector. So as you can see, the wheel is charging right now, or basically the current is flowing, but it's not charging because it's full. Yeah, it's almost at 84 volts. So if you can make this, it would really help you save time when you're charging your wheel, and you don't have to buy another charger which may cost you a lot of money. Yeah.